For Topher Rogers, selling real estate isn't that different from coaching wide receivers on the gridiron. Both skill sets require speed, raw talent, and the ability to pick up on current conditions and adjust. Topher's hand-picked team at TJ Lewis Real Estate understand how important their roles are. And each day, they execute a game plan that puts clients first.
It's hard to answer what TJ Lewis is without first discussing my history, my background. And being a sports enthusiast, being that my undergraduate is in coaching and teaching, being that I went and did that professionally and learned how to talk and communicate with kids and other coaches and people and teachers and that side of it, it really helped me transition into the real estate world. You sit down and you create the things that are fundamentals, just like in the football fundamentals, you look for the fundamentals in real estate. Our goal as a brokerage is to care for our agents the way they care for their clients.
They have over 30 agents who work out of their Austin office. Their size allows them to be industry leaders in the market. They know this area better than anyone.
TJ Lewis Real Estate is the best in the industry at using innovative technology, techniques, and marketing to help our clients, whether they're selling property or trying to find the right property in the Austin area to purchase. We help our clients make smart real estate decisions. We advise them in a way that helps them make the best decisions for them. We want to give them the advice that they need so that they can ultimately achieve their real estate goals. Working with Topher and our team at TJ Lewis is a lot of fun. It's an encouraging family environment where we're all working together to support one another, to challenge one another, and to help one another whenever you need any sort of assistance. It's really an environment where everyone's for one another. There's no competition among agents. We want everyone to succeed and be as successful as they could possibly be.
TJ Lewis as a brokerage is strong. Why? Because our agents are really hungry and understanding and wanting to be out there in the industry doing what it takes to take care of their clients, their family, their friends. And we have training that we sit around and we go through the details of what it takes to do that. The reality is there is not a crystal ball that gives away all the answers. If you're looking to buy, you can find a house. If you're looking to sell, you can definitely sell your house. In the Austin area, there's 15,000 agents plus, and you can find one. What you want to make sure that you're doing is finding one like myself or finding one like my team that is going to make sure that your thoughts and your interests and your needs are above that of our own.
The Austin real estate market is hot and competitive, and TJ Lewis Real Estate is here to navigate for you.
We wanted to be, personalized, have someone that took the time to sit down, find out what our needs were, and find a house that was truly tailored for us. And we honestly felt like family once we found Topher. They really made the process easy, lining up multiple houses that fit what we needed and what we wanted, breaking down being first-time home buyers, not really knowing the market, giving us strategies and ways to approach to put together a competitive offer to be able to get the house that we wanted.
If you want an easy process, if you want people who understand you, people who make you feel like part of the family, I would say use TJ Lewis.
People make decisions about where they're gonna live or move to every 5 to 7 years, and to be a part of that process, to be a part of helping them realize their dreams or move to a better place or a better scenario, that is very rewarding. I love the opportunity to help the client make the smart decision in those scenarios.
I've always said for TJ Lewis, I didn't want to necessarily have an office that was 10,000 agents. I didn't necessarily want to be a big box brokerage because my goal for TJ Lewis is simply to just be as big as we can be while still caring and investing in our agents individually.
To find out more about TJ Lewis Real Estate, visit tjlewisrealestate.com and designingspaces.tv.